Alright, this time we're not cutting. So I'm just gonna, grab Twilight. Everything. Move all of them over there. You go to the thing here that's supposed to pretend to be a fridge. Go to the fridge. I'm gonna get that picture. What are you doing in my fridge? I'm not in your fridge. It's my fridge. You're in my fridge. I'm not in your fridge. This is my fridge. That's not your fridge. That's a freaking medicine box. You asshole! You messed my fridge. The tail is coming off. I have to be careful with these because their tail is like really wiggly and I don't want them to come off. You asshole. Why is everybody here fighting? She told my fridge. She didn't tell you fridge. That is still the medicine box, you asshole. No, it's my fridge. Is that your fridge? I'm gonna take your fridge to the hell. If I can grab it with my fingers. Ow. There, I took your fridge. You want to take my fridge? Why is everybody here dead? Twilight, what'd you do? You died! No, I didn't. I just drunk. Oh. And why did you kill everybody? You said you can? Like, why did you kill everybody? Like, what did they do to you? They killed my fridge. It's not a fridge. What's a fridge? Well, a fridge is something you put food in and it keeps it cold. I know what a fridge is. I'm talking about what fridge. Why'd you ask what a fridge is? It's the fridge. This is a fridge. It's not a fridge. I'm just pretending it's a fridge. This is my fridge. That's not a fridge. Twilight, that's not a fridge. You're the princess of fridge. You're supposed to know things. Are you on crack? I drank too much coffee. But why did you drink too much coffee, man? Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna, throw your. There, I killed your fridge. There we go. That knowing it's not a fridge, it's pads. You asshole. I'm gonna kill you. Anything coming up to my fridge is gonna die. I can't get my fridge out of my sleeve. Why is everybody dead? I gotta carry Wordy. Why is everybody dead, Twilight? They keep touching my fridge. What fridge? How is your fridge? Why do you keep killing ponies? The fridge is somewhere down there. It's right here. You're touching my fridge. And nobody likes your fridge. You're like, they don't like your fridge. You don't like my fridge? No. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes your fridge. Why? Why is Rarity sleeping? She's drunk. She's not drunk. How is she drunk? She drank some apple cider. You know this. Asshole. Don't touch my fridge. I don't question about Rarity. That's not a fridge, damn it. That's pads. I don't have a fridge. Okay. No, nobody wants a fridge. Because you don't deserve a fridge. You'll burn it. How will I burn the fridge? Because you will burn the fridge. But that doesn't make any sense if I can burn the fridge. You'll burn the fridge. No. You're getting it all wrong. I don't have a fridge. This was a fake fridge. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Wait, let's go. We're done. I'm tired of this. No, I was sleeping. What the fuck? I guess that I'm done here. I guess I'm done. I really don't know what the videos anymore. Alright, I'm done. I'm gonna take my bath now.